Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install react.js on your computer. Open your browser and search for node.js. Here you will get option to download the recommended for most user option. Like this is the stable version that you can install for your PC or laptop, and this will be the latest beta version. I recommend this one, the recommended for most user. You can simply click on it. It will give you a file to start the setup for the installing modules. Meanwhile, you can make a search for React start GitHub. So this is like create React app GitHub page. You can simply click on it, scroll down. So you can see the quick overview to install the app in your system. So you can install it using three commands like npx, npm, and yarn. So I'll be using npx, this command, to create React apps in my PC. What are the differences? Like you can like npx, the package run tool that comes with npm 5.2 plus and higher versions. Like it has all the functionality of npm packages, libraries, all things. Plus it comes with some more uh, new features. So we are going to install create the app using npx command. Yep. So I have clicked on the setup that we have downloaded, and this it is showing me how to install it. So this will be the frame that will be coming up. Click on next, accept the terms and a license agreement. Then next, it will ask for the path where it is going to be installed. If you want to change it, you can change it. I'm comfortable with it, so I'm clicking on next. You can click this saying that automatically install the necessary tool, and click on next, install. It will take some time to install. Press any key. So once you have installed the node in your PC, just open this link. I'll be mentioning this link in the description. So we'll be using the npx command. So here is the short snippets that you can use to create your first app. So first of all, open the cmd command prompt, then choose the path where you need to set up or install the application. So I'm just simply going in my document folder. Here I will be running this command npx create dash react dash app, and I'll be writing my app name as portfolio and just press enter. This will take some time to create the application with the package and required libraries. Once it get installed, we can start the application by going into that particular folder using the cd command and the folder name. Then we'll be using the npm start command to run the application. So you can see it's written here, we're happy hacking. Our application has been installed. Now what we need to do is we need to go into the folder like portfolio. Here we need to run the command npm start. This will start the application in the browser. So tada, you can see the application has been loaded in the browser. Now to do some edit in our first application, we need to open the Visual Studio Code, and we need to open the folder. It's in document portfolio, selecting the folder. Okay, I'm zooming in so that you can see it clearly. Okay, so these are the file that has been created while installing the app. So we are going in the app.js. So here is the code which we are getting. You can see, yep, here. So here is the code. So you can see it is the line is here. So I'm simply removing and writing it. This is my first project. Saving it. You can see it get reflected here. And one more thing, like if you want to run the command from here, for example, I'm closing this one, I'm closing the terminal, and I'm opening the terminal from here. You can like press Ctrl Shift plus, or simply go from here. And here also, if I'm in the folder, right, I'm in the portfolio folder, and from here also I can write npm start. So what it will be doing, it will be starting a port, and it will be opening my application into the browser.